Welcome back. Blockchain hands-on. Now, for next class, please try to create one wallet on myetherwallet.com. So that's the website that we looked into, which allows you to create a wallet in your browser in JavaScript. It's very simple. You don't have to program JavaScript. The wallet is being in the browser in JavaScript. The creation of a wallet is as simple as clicking a few buttons. Now, please derive two addresses, A and B, right? So you will have two addresses in your wallet, and then try to get some test ether for the Rinkeby network towards address A. So you can get Rinkeby ether by typing in your favorite search engine Ethereum Fosse. These are the typical Rinkeby Fosse. These are the typical website that will provide you some funds towards the address. And then you can send one Rinkeby ether of testnet ether to your and your lucky number data as data attached from address A to B. So you can create basically the transaction and you attach some data. Okay. So basically, what I would also recommend you to do is to send your address then to someone and get someone else's address and just try to see how you can exchange addresses. What's the most convenient way of doing so? And then as an additional exercise, I would like you to look up the history of the Ethereum, of this particular Ethereum address here. You can go through the Blockchain Explorer Etherscan. You can go through DBank, Portfolio Manager, and you can also go through Zapper.fi, another portfolio manager. So I will then ask you, how much US dollar value does this address or this account hold? And I'm quite curious about your different answers. So summarizing, what can you do with crypto nowadays? Well, you can trade with other people, right? Whether this is on-chain, so within the blockchain, or outside the blockchain, you can trade with other people. You can exchange crypto to other crypto, or you can exchange to fiat money. Fiat money being, for example, the US dollar, the Swiss franc, the pound, etc. Or you can buy something online. You can donate, you can build application and games, and you can do so many more things. The world is unlimited here. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.